How to use Target Registry for weddings and baby. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can use Target Registry for weddings and baby. To use a Target Registry for weddings or baby events, you'll have to create one online via Target's registry page, then add items by browsing or using the app scanner, customize the details like due dates or registry names, and then share the unique link with guests. So open our browser and you want to head into target.com target.com/gift registry. So you want to head into this here, and once you head into it, you want to log into your Target account or create a new one. Then once done, so you can see registry and wish list. You can create a baby registry, you can create a wedding registry right here. Then enter your event specifics, due date, partner's name, shipping address, choose a unique URL for your list, and add a personal note. It's simple and easy. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.